Flashback.
Nakadalawa kayo na ilang yun. Oh, no!
Bawal lagi mag-English. Bawal mag-English. Bawal mag...
Ikat lang siya kayo.
Alam mo nang gusigataw.
End of flashback.
Hi mga kids! For today's video, we'll be doing green mango with bagoong mukbang with a twist. So ito yun. Before anything else, I'll introduce to you.
Ayun guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, this is our YouTube channel. Then,
So ito na nga. We'll be doing mukbang. At ang gagawin namin, bawal kami magsasalita ng Tagalog. So lahat, dapat English lang. Bawal Bisaya rin, di ba? So,
without
further ado,
let's go!
let's go! Mmm! So sour. So salty. You didn't get me a vinegar. Ayun.
We're going to put the vinegar because it's too salty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. No, don't touch that. It's dirty. We should think about the topic. So, how long you've been vlogging? How long you've been doing vlogging?
It's been, 6 months. 1 year, 1 year.
1 year. And you have how many subscribers now?
2K. 2K and more.
2K and more?
Yes.
That's a lot. Because you know what? I have only 25 loyal subscribers.
Subscribe her YouTube channel because
Yeah.
she is
I'm so infant. I'm still an infant. I'm still new here at YouTube, so you can eat. So, what are the sour in your channel? What are the content of the channel? What are the content?
her channel is more on challenges and
Can you be more specific?
I'm not split. I'm not.
It's so sour and it's too salty for me. But it's so
So
good.
hard to speak in English
Yeah,
because we are Bisaya.
you're right. What else?
So noisy.
Yeah. That.
Hoy, sinihan man eh.
So since the day that you started your vlogging or your channel, how long did it take you to monetize your channel?
Ano? 1 year. Because, ano?
One year?
1 year because kami lang makaisa mo.
You were not that too famous.
Yes, we are not famous yet. So,
But 2,000 subscribers is a lot.
yes, because sige, tawag ka ng ano. Ito ka ba yung English eh? Because we are joining a group chat of YouTubers. So, we're,
You're what?
we chat them, then,
You mean you gain subscribers by sub for sub?
yes, sub to sub. Sub to sub, then we reach the requirements of the YouTube. So, we are not yet
Flashback.
then we reach the requirements of the YouTube. So, we are not yet
End of flashback.
gaining first salary because we stop because we are busy. We stop because we are busy to our studies. Yes.
You know what? I do research, and I research that sub for sub is not allowed.
But, there are people who support us and they subscribe our channel.
That's good girl. So,
It's spicy guys.
so what are the challenges that you're facing in your You have to little views on that? Small views? What's ours?
Nope.
Because I'm not.
So yun na yun.
Basta yun na yun.
Depende sa iyo mo. Mahurot ni man.
Very, delicious. You want? Lugit ka buong.
So, what will you give? Or what advices you can give for small-time YouTubers like us. So, all that these challenges we can conquer. Because sometimes we feel like we're
Giving
about
up.
to give up because of the so hard for us to reach the requirement of YouTubers. So what? Balik ko lang ko, babe. So, what advice you can give for those YouTubers, small YouTubers like us, who will be facing more challenges, more struggles in reaching the requirement of YouTube so that their channel can be monetized?
I advise that don't give up and ano ba na magulat siya ng magulat.
Wait.
You wait the time that you complete the requirements and
Patience.
patience. Then
What? What do you think?
it's so dagan kayo nagdoan ko dagan kayo it's so delicious. So this guys we bought
Yeah. This green mango, we bought it at the real in front of Gosirama at the real.
yes
It's sold by 10 pesos. So we bought like
it's affordable.
five
5
packs of this, and it cost us for about like 50 pesos.
and
Then
it's
this bagoong is just free.
she's
Guys, ang
sponsored.
hirap talaga mag-English, guys.
Get it, guys.
Lalo na the mango is so sour. So sour and
It's so spicy.
it's so spicy and sour, and you have to speak English. It's really challenging. So I think, I don't know if you like this kind of challenge.
My nose is bleeding.
Back when I was younger, one of my favorite really is green mango, and I like eating this with bagoong and sili. Wow, it was a perfect combination. Nothing beats bagoong. How about you? Do you like bagoong more than the uyu and suka?
Yes.
Why?
But sometimes is toyo and sugar.
Well, I like that one also, but I like this more.
Yes, because you can put chili.
Chili.
Chili. You want to
You want to
taste?
eat? Come here. Let me introduce you. Come here.
You
Her sister
my
is
sister.
here. Come here.
You're going back again. You're going back again. Ano tumarot?
Yeah, we cannot finish this all because it's too sour for us, and oh my god,
Spicy.
spicy. But I like it. Sorry that our English is baroque. Our English is baroque.
Baruch.
Someone just passed. And then she wonders what we're doing right now. They think that we're crazy. Talking to ourselves. In English. So this video, the content of this video is a challenge of eating sour mango and speaking English. You know, it's hard for us to speak English, and this mango is so sour, so it's a double challenge. I don't know. This is my blog, this is my channel, but the content is mainly from her. Why do you think that we need to speak English? So that
the English speakers
yeah, you're right.
yes, the English speakers will understand us.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. You know
Yes.
what? I really thought that like a couple days ago that I should be vlogging speaking in English so that I will not be struggling putting subtitles
Yes.
in
It's
the
so
video.
so English ang kaput. It's so tired.
Yeah, it's so tiring putting subtitles.
Yes. One by one sentence.
Every word that we are speaking.
So hard.
So, come here. These are the brother and sister of
Me.
Aliyah. Come here. So, let me finish. Help us finish this green mango. So, what can you say? Say something. Hi, I'm. Introduce yourself. Sige na. Say something. Just introduce yourself. Here.
Ulo na nag-view sa vlog.
You don't naman how to speak English.
Hi, my
Kaya mo yan. Speak in English, introduce yourself. Okay, now, go.
is Hi, my name is Anne-Marie Consul. I'm pretty, don't her. Excuse me.
And her brother, come here, dito ka. You sit here. No. Hindi na lang din sa kung niya. Introduce yourself.
Hi,
Makita siya. Sige.
hi, my name is Eugenie Consular.
Yeah, how old are you?
Yeah.
How old are you?
Hey,
You're 8 years old. And you're still
Grade.
you're not going to school pala. You're doing modular?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now, you eat now. Woo! Speaking English is so hard. And it's really tiring because you have to think first before you speak. Because you don't know what is the English of anything.
Yes.
Yeah.
English na.
Oh, look at this. Soy sauce and sugar. Spices and sugar. Let's taste it.
Baik kinarol kayo dagang suka ay kuan ko yun.
This is too salty. This is too sweet. Oh my god. I can't bear it.
Our stomach will.
Lipong.
Yeah, we're going to end this video.
So guys, dito na magtatapos yung video namin. At thank you sa lahat ng nanonood. I hope you like this video. Even though sa tingin nyo is walang kwenta itong ginagawa namin, but deep in our hearts, we really enjoyed it, eating green mango with bagoong and with the challenge of speaking English. So we're not doing challenge. So if you want us to do something more, please comment down below so that alam namin kung anong susunod namin gagawin video.
So yun guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and share our YouTube channel.
Thanks!